Hi, and welcome to my channel, Karen to Clean. Today, I'm going to take you on the tour of my home, so that way you can kind of see what the floor plan of this house looks like. We have a 4-bedroom house. However, only 2 bedrooms will be shown, the master bedroom and the guest room, as I want to respect the privacy of my daughter, and I also want to respect the privacy of a friend that kind of rents a room from us. So anyway, but you're going to, of course, see the rest of the house. I'm going to start at the front porch, and then I'm going to walk around and just show you the house. And you will not see my face, but you will hear my voice. Anyway, let's take the tour of the house, okay? And as I said, here is the front view from, well, the front entry of my home. We just kind of spruced it up a little bit. Okay, let's go take a look inside. Okay, so we are in the front entry, the foyer area. I'm going to show you our welcome sign. And as soon as you walk into the house, the kitchen is to the right. And the laundry room is just right through the accordion doors over here. And then, of course, right here is the half bath. You'll see me. Like I said, nothing too fancy. Probably shouldn't have done this tour right when my dryer was going, but anyway, you'll hear that. You just heard the beeping of the dryer. Anyway, we're going to go into the living room. And I'm going to kind of take you into the kitchen area. And the pantry is right there, but we're not going to go in there. I mean, it's not, I guess I can show you guys. Here, let me show you guys. Again, nothing fancy. Before I'm going to just kind of give you a little glance of what my laundry room. I definitely need to do a makeover on this, but it's going to be a while. Okay, now we are going to head upstairs. I'm going to show you the master room last. And as you see, my tripod right there. We are going up the stairs, and as soon as you come up, you will see my daughter's like craft art area. And of course her Legos. She loves displaying her Legos. And we are going to be heading into the, well, let me show you the bay window area. And now we're going to be heading into the half bath. Or not the half bath, the upstairs bathroom. Boy, I'm really just... Anyway, here's the full bath. My daughter's bathroom. And then her room is right there. And as I said before, we're not going to go in there. And this is the guest room. And it's sort of used as a little bit of a storage area. There's a closet here, and I store all my fall winter stuff right there. Okay. Now we are going to be leaving the guest room. And then our friend's room is just right there. Okay, so now I am going to take you guys to the master bedroom. Okay, we are walking into the master bedroom. Bay window here. And then we're going to go into the master bath. Toilet closet. Here I am. And then our master closet. I'm not going to go completely inside, but there you go. Okay, we are going to head back into the living room again. And that's it. That's a wrap on this tour. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what my house, actually the floor plan looks like, because I will be, uploading some cleaning videos and hopefully, DIY stuff and makeover videos. And I just kind of wanted to give you an insight of what our home, what the floor plan looks like. Anyway, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, Karen Decluttering, and I hope you will like it, share it. Anyway, thank you for coming and thank you for watching. See y'all next time.